How to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. First, on your new phone, open the Instagram app. You'll see the login screen where it asks for username, email, or phone number and password. Now, if you already know your login details, just enter them and tap Login. But if you don't remember your details, then go to your old phone where your account is already logged in. Open Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the 3 lines at the top right. After that, go to Accounts Center. Here, tap on Personal Details and you'll find your contact info like email address or phone number. You can use any of these to log in on your new phone. Now for the username, tap and open your profile, then tap on Username, and you'll see your exact username there. Now go back to your new phone. Enter either your username, email, or phone number. If you know your password, just enter it and log in. But if you don't remember the password, tap on Forgot Password. Then enter your username or email and tap Continue. Instagram will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter that code, tap Continue, and your account will be logged in on your new phone. That's it.